Hello and welcome guys, and welcome to this post-examination vlog. And yes, 6 months of agony, 6 months of pain, 6 months of hard work, 6 months of burning that midnight oil, confining yourself to the four corners of your room have finally come to an end. And at this point in time, I can really be proud of each one of you. Guys, you have given it your best shot. Whether it was running through the marathons or giving the test which I took in the fag end of November, October, you have excelled everywhere. And trust me, your result is going to be absolutely stunning, absolutely awesome. Sir, exams are over. Now what? So yes, here's the video to strategize how can you do an effective utilization of time till your results. 3 P's is what I'm going to suggest you for the next few days. 3 P's means, number 1, pray hard. Yes, prayers have got powers which nothing in this world has. So even if your exam has got really bad, you've not been able to perform well, and you're 100% sure that sir, result to bura hi aayega, result is going to be negative only, it won't be in my favor. If you are absolutely sure about that, even then, pray hard for your positive results. Trust me, prayers have got powers to convert your negative result into a positive result. So pray every day for your positive result till your result date. P number 2. Guys, now is the time to really plan for the future. We need to plan how can we utilize the time up till the results, which will be fag end of February, effectively. So for example, if you have given one group, then you start taking coachings of the next group. If you have given both the groups of intermediate, then you start preparing for articleship. You search for firms, how to apply for articleship, how to create a resume, how to give interviews. You prepare for that. If you are a CMA final student who has given both the groups of CMA final, then guys, you now need to work upon your communication skills. Read Economic Times daily. That should be your endeavor. So these kind of things you need to really do up till 21st of February, up till your result, so that you can utilize this time effectively. Sir, enough of your gyan, enough of your, we've already been burning out for past 6 months or 1 year. So guys, 3rd P is very important, party hard. Yes, you have been missing in action for past 1 year. You have been, staying away from your friends. You've been staying away from doing things that you really wanted to do. So yes, now is the time to party hard. If you really want to watch a Netflix series, go binge watch it. If you want to play use your PlayStation to the fullest, go enjoy with your friends, have that ice cream which you've not eaten for past 1 year. So yes, this is the time to party hard. So these are my 3 P's for you, which will be effective for post examination time period. P number 1, prayers. P number 2, plan. P number 3, party hard. And yes sir, where are you? So yes, I'm on a short vacation. There's a communities tab post which I have where I've described that I am here in Northeast to attend one of my ex-students and now a CMA, his wedding. And I've shown his journey of being from a Dibrugarh, a small town in Assam, and from Dibrugarh his journey to Delhi, completing CMA, working in big MNCs. I've shown that entire journey. So yes, I'm in Northeast for a small vacation, and currently I'm standing in the valley of Shillong, and you can actually see beautiful valley scene. The entire valley is visible on my right hand side. And yes, you can also come over here for a short vacation. You can actually plan the vacation right now also, guys. But yes, I would definitely recommend you to see the story in the communities tab of CMA Jayant Day. That story is again surrounding some P's. Okay, P, passion for your career. P, persistency, which means you really need to be persistent in your goals and your career. And last P is patience. You need to have patience because everything takes time. So even if you qualify your CMA in this attempt, then also you need some patience, some perseverance is required to attain that objective, that goal of your life where you are financially independent and you are professionally well settled, just like CMA Jayande. And who knows, I'll be making a vlog on your wedding. I'll be having a communities post on your wedding very, very soon. On that positive note, all the very best and happy studying.